Hey everyone, I get this question a lot, so I thought I would record a quick video on how to print the 12 by 12 papers at 8.5 by 11 size without using a photo program. I obviously cannot offer every single size paper that every person is going to need in my shop. That would be a lot of excess products. So I wanted to show you this quick trick to be able to do it yourself without a photo program necessary. So I have a 12 by 12 paper opened in just my regular image viewing software on my Mac. PCs have the same thing. It'll just open up, it's called Preview on a Mac, so I just double clicked it to open it from the folder, and then I'm just going to hit Command P, which is print. And you can see when I do that, it automatically resizes it to 8 by 8. So what I have to do is come in here and change this to US letter borderless and not US letter. And that will print edge to edge, but this is still only an 8.5 by an 8.5 print. If we want 8.5 by 11, instead of print entire image, we need to click fill entire paper. Now your printer settings, your printer dialog might be a little bit different than mine, but these settings are standard across almost all printer softwares. So you might have something that looks a little bit different than mine, but you can still find these settings in your printer software. And now I can just go ahead and print it. I want to print on nice quality cardstock or Epson premium presentation paper to get the best quality print, and I am good to go. So I hope that helped. I hope that removes some barriers for printing for you, and let me know. Thanks.